IMW, your reliable partner for industrial assembling, service for printing machines, assembly of machines or units all over the world. Our team, consisting of electronic and industrial technicians, is pleased to execute your order. Prior to disassembly, our electronic technician carries out a reset of the printing machine and takes over the memory with the entered parameters. The data is stored as it is very important for the later trouble-free commissioning. The external software of the additional equipment belonging to the machine is stored separately too. In the following, the side panels of the machine are opened by our staff so that they can check the interior for mechanical damages. Before starting disassembly work, the assembly groups are separated professionally from each other. At first with regard to vertical level, then to horizontal level. It is also important to mark the positions which are dimensionally relevant. The dismantling of passage gallery, platform and additional equipment belonging to the machine is started now. It goes without saying that the disposal of all liquid media, lubricants and cooling media will be realized by us according to regulations. A detailed documentation of electric installation and disassembly is prepared by us to ensure a reliable reassembly at the new place of installation. Taking out of the cables can now be carried out. After the final check, all additional equipment belonging to the machine is packed and transported on heavy-duty pallets, especially provided for this purpose. VCI foil, a special protection against corrosion, is used for packaging. As to the individual assembly groups, it is verified once again in the end whether they have been separated properly to avoid any damages when being finally pulled apart. The modules are lifted now by means of our own special lifting portal having a loading bearing capacity of up to 38 tons. Then they are packed with VCI foil and loaded on heavy-duty pallets too. In the end, the last and biggest assembly group is packed. As all the other parts, this group is also taken out by our trained expert staff in a safe way with millimeter accuracy. Transport of the machines throughout the world is realized by means of our own heavy-duty equipment without any weight limit. Having arrived safely on board of the ship, the machines go on the journey to the new place of destination. The complete transport with insurances is organized by us for you, always in compliance with all safety standards. IMW, a global company domiciled in Senden near Ulm.